they were identifying around 5 spots on the, as what I can say, third floor, because the second and the third floor is collapsed like pancake. So I think below that, some people are under that floor, which will go to the direction of the evacuation route for the emergency exit.